Hello beautifuls! In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the infamous Beauty Blender. I'm going to be trying out the Beauty Blender for the first time. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like with application. So hopefully this video will be a short one. I will also be doing a comparison video with the EcoTools and the Real Techniques beauty sponges, which are also known to be highly reviewed beauty sponges that are very comparable to the Beauty Blender, if not better than the Beauty Blender. So make sure you subscribe to this channel if you would like to see those videos, or if you are coming to this video later, then I might have it already down in the description box below. I happened to get this really good deal at Sephora, and it came with the full-size Beauty Blender, a Beauty Blender cleaner, and the brush, all for $20. It retails for $28 and I got it for $20. It came in this cute little kit. I did my video backwards today, so I tried it on first and then now I'm doing the introduction, so I've already used it. And this is the size when it is wet. I will say that the Beauty Blender is very soft and very squishy. That's the first thing I noticed with it. And then next it came, whoa, what happened there? Next it came with the silicone cleaner. What exactly is this called? Silicone scrub mat. And then it came with this little tiny blender cleanser. The bag is so nice. It kind of reminds me of like when you go to the pool and you have those little, I don't know, but it's like it's not like plastic. It's more of, I don't know, it's like something you would take to the beach because you know it gets wet and I don't know, I'm not going to go too into detail about that. It's got little holes for your product to breathe in, so it prevents bacteria from going in there. Also unique, I have not seen anything like this. I'm going to say what it claims to do. It absorbs minimal product, meaning that you can use very little product with this sponge, so we'll definitely check to see if that is true. It is supposed to give you an even, smooth blend and bounce, so it's supposed to be very bouncy on the skin. You know, I just cut to the chase and say it does have a really good bounce. It's so gentle on the skin, and also it does absorb very, very minimal product. I was able to use half a pump of my foundation to apply this evenly over my entire face. The rounded surface is supposed to give you quick application, whereas the pointed side gives you very precise application. You'd want to use this for concealer. The point of this is very different from other beauty sponges I have used. It is a lot pointier than other sponges I have used, so I just wanted to point that out there. Point that out there, point that out. Just wanted to point that out. It's supposed to give you an airbrushed look, give you no streaks. You can use it with powders or foundations. It's also cruelty-free and formulated without latex, parabens, sulfates, and phthalates, whatever that is called. At any point in this video, if you find that you're enjoying it, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. It'll help me out a lot in knowing how my video is doing. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into the presentation of this Beauty Blender. This is what it looks like. It's such a little baby. I do see it is really soft. It feels like, you know, the cushion, it's the cushion that they put in like your mattresses. Feels just as soft as that, and this is the softest sponge I felt so far. This is the first time I'm feeling something this squishy. Like you could just, it's so easy to squish. So I'm gonna get this wet and then we're gonna see it expand. Now this is the Beauty Blender fully submerged in water. It's actually not as big as I thought it was, but I really like this side, and so far what I'm noticing is that it has a very fine tip, which is different from the other beauty sponges I've tried, and I really do like the size. It's not too big, it's not too small, it's still very squishy. Okay, now for the exciting part, we're gonna go ahead and try this Beauty Blender. I'm gonna be using my Pat McGrath Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Foundation, that is a long name, and then I'm gonna dab it onto my skin. So we're gonna go in and start blending. I'm just gonna do pat, 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 and patting motions. I'm already starting to see a huge difference. I didn't really want to see this. I wanted to think that all my other beauty sponges work just as well, if not better. But I'm afraid I might be wrong. Not only is this giving me a true airbrushed finish, but it also feels so much more gentle on my skin than all of the other beauty sponges. And just because of that, it makes it well worth it, because when it comes to your skin, you want to use as little pressure as possible. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm looking at myself in the viewfinder thing, sort of a thing. I'm looking at myself through my computer. I'm gonna go ahead and look at myself with an actual mirror. It looks to be very even. All right, I've got like a little less than half more of a pump, and I'm going to finish applying that. Wow, I love this Pat McGrath foundation. Ugh, I barely used half a pump and it's covering my entire forehead. I used such a little amount and it's giving me this. Yeah, so far I'm really liking this beauty blender. It's so soft, it's so bouncy, and it just packs everything on there. I could probably do less than that, but I was able to get, honestly, half a pump of my foundation to cover my entire face. And it's got great coverage. I really like the beauty blender. I'm a little upset because, like I said, I wasn't wanting to love this product. I want to just stick with my like $5 to $10. Sorry, my lips are dry. Yeah, I wanted to just stick with those, but I think I'm gonna have to continue to get the beauty blender sponge. Oh, my earring is falling out. But I still have more beauty blenders to try out. I still have the Real Techniques and the Eco Tool, which I've heard lots about. So I'm super excited to see how the beauty blender compares with those ones. And next thing I want to do with the beauty blender is I want to go in with some concealer. I'm going to use my NARS Creamy Concealer. The next concealer I'm getting is going to be the Pat McGrath, because I've heard, wow, people have been swearing by the Pat McGrath concealer, so that's what I'm gonna get next. I was gonna get the Clé de Peau one. That one's like $62 or something, but it's also like a concealer and skincare in one, so I figured it might be worth it. All right, so now we're gonna use the pointed tip. It is drying up a little bit, so we're gonna work fast. Wow. I don't think I've seen my concealer look this good. Oh my god, have I truly been missing out this whole time? I thought my beauty blenders or my beauty sponges were doing just fine. But this one? Look at that. Oh man. I've been without this thing for ever since it came out. What, 2, 3 years now? I've been without it. Oh my goodness. That is so beautiful. Why is there a piece of hair right here? Get out of here. Get out of here, hair. All right, we're gonna blend it into the nose. Oh my gosh, you guys. Blend it into the forehead. You know, I won't say that it blends faster than my other beauty sponges, but it just, oh my god, it's making my product look better. It is drying up a little bit, but I could still feel it's moist. But with my other beauty sponges, I feel like I have to work a little bit faster when it comes to blending, because if the products start to dry up a little bit, then I'll have to work quickly. But with this one, I didn't feel that way. Oh boy, buddy, oh boy. Yeah, I like this a lot. That's pretty much it for the review. I don't know why I just laughed right there. I love this beauty blender, and it's going to be a staple product now. I'm no longer going to be buying the beauty sponges that I bought before, even though one of them worked really good and it was like about $3 to $5. That one worked. That one's currently my favorite one, but I really have no purpose for those now. I also have a Sephora beauty sponge, but it's The Beauty Blender is so much better than that one, and that one I got at Sephora for $13. That one was a really good one, and I've been using that for roughly a year now. But yeah, the beauty sponge is so much better. So I'm not even going to waste my time in doing a comparison video with that one. I really appreciate you guys watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to share it with your friends and your family. And if you enjoy this type of content and would like to see more of this kind of content in the future, please just subscribe to my channel, and I'll see all of you beautiful people in another video.